Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. So we got a nice holiday pop from Bitcoin, but then it looks like we're just retracing that whole move. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to go over a few altcoins that's been on my radar, and we're going to talk about what I'm seeing happening in the immediate short term, specifically this week. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Make sure if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's taking a little bit of time, but we're getting there. So I appreciate everybody. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 68,258. Let's actually zoom out. I'm on the 1 minute. I was actually doing some day trading these past couple days. Fared pretty well. Let's see, when is that? This happened. This went all the way back to, well, really last week. So in about a week, we've been in this symmetrical triangle. So we came down, went all the way up to about close to 72K, came all the way back down to about 66, 67. Then we were just going along. So yesterday, like I said, it was a holiday. And usually on holidays or weekends, I don't really trust the pumps. A lot of times these weekend pumps have been, well, recently the weekend pumps have been a little bit better than, the past, but the holiday pumps, I really don't trust the holiday pump. So we got a nice pump. We had this bottom forming right here, right at the upward sloping trend line, popped out, got all the way up to about 60,700. And then we got a harsh rejection these past few hours. So it's looking like we're getting some support coming in at about 68, but I have this line drawn right here. This is what I will be looking for if I'm looking for major support in this area at about 67,300, which has been pretty good support and pretty good resistance. So a good SR flip right there. So hopefully we can hold this level here, like I said, at about 67,300. If we do come down that far, see, we came down over here too. We had some interaction, some good movement over there too at about 67.3 to 67.5. So we'll just be looking at that area really to potentially get a nice bounce for Bitcoin, and hopefully we can have a nice bullish week starting off. We had Solana also getting a nice pump. Before we go to Solana, let's talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum is the one that is really leading the charge, that has ignited round 2 of the bull market with its ETF. So we're just waiting for that ETF to start trading live. And then, like I said, excuse me, in my previous video, I'm expecting the price to go up significantly in the near term. So what I was looking for, but didn't happen, is a daily close above this high here at about 39.40. So we got up yesterday all the way up to about 39.75, 39.80. Close to about 39.80, but we quickly rejected down a few hours later. Right now we're sitting at this support level here for Ethereum at about 38.26, which in my opinion will be a good level to try a bounce if you're trading. Just a nice little, keep your stop losses tight, just to see if we can get a nice little bounce. So I'm looking for Ethereum to lead the charge. Ethereum Bitcoin pair has been growing over the past week or so after nothing but down only. So I like Ethereum for the next few weeks to get to about 4,500 to 5,000. If we can remain bullish and we can get those ETF flows coming in. Once ETH hits price discovery, price discovery, who knows how high it could go. My price prediction, I don't like to predict, but just, using my overall analysis and being in the market, and hopefully I can get some type of timing right. But if we start getting to like the 8 to 10K area, I'll really start to take massive profits on Ethereum, which is my biggest bag. Dogecoin, like I said, is definitely one on my radar. I think Dogecoin can double from here fairly quick if we break out of that 18-cent mark. That's just one of the ones that we got to keep watching. I think Dogecoin is a sure bet this bull run. A lot of people have forgot about it, but if you scroll back down a few months ago when nobody was talking about Dogecoin, Crypto Funds was talking about Dogecoin. I was talking about Dogecoin. I was telling people like Dogecoin has so many catalysts for it that if you turn your back on Dogecoin, if you think Dogecoin isn't going to do numbers, then you're crazy. So, my top coins are up here. Illuvium, I'm still bullish on Illuvium. Gaming has been lagging behind, like I said, like I've been saying, but I think gaming will have its turn. I'm thinking gaming will have its turn towards the end of the bull run once those narratives start shifting. If we get like some type of game or some type of mass adoption in one game, or if Meta or Apple announces something or anything happens with the game and they talk about crypto gaming or something like that, or one of the big gaming houses talk about crypto gaming or something like that, all these gaming coins are going to go nuts. So that's why you just got to be in tune to the market. I'm going to say it every video: be in tune to the market, be in tune to the news, be in tune to what's going on in the everyday world of the crypto space. We had Ondo breaking that 85 cent mark, taking off. I love me some Ondo. It's a real world asset, partnered with like BlackRock or something like that. So Ondo is going to do well, in my opinion. We're not going to talk about XRP, still a stable coin. Just the overall market right now is down after that pump. We had that Caitlyn Jenner. We have a lot of celebrities coming in. I'm going to talk about that in a later video, probably later today. We had a lot of these coins, a lot of these meme coins popping up, these celebrity meme coins popping up. Just be careful. Be careful. We got rug pulls going on left and right. We got celebrities that don't even know how to explain crypto, how to talk about blockchain, coming with coins, trying to pump and dump. So just be careful with these people. Be careful with these snakes, these leeches. That's what they are. They're snakes and leeches coming into our space, not our space, coming to the space and trying to extract money from you, especially the ones who don't know how to manage risk and don't really know about crypto. So it's harder to, somebody like me, it's hard for me to, like, I can get rug pulled for sure. But when I see Caitlyn Jenner and Rich the Kid and Antonio Brown coming out with these coins, I'm a little bit weary. But shout out to if you're making money with them. You hit them and you quit them. Back to my old days, hit it and quit it. So that's just what you got to do with those type of coins. But like I said, the overall market is red right now. Now of these times in the bull run, especially like I said, this is round 2 of the bull run. So make sure you are finding positions, finding entries to get in, and because I think this market is going to go up substantially. So just be ready, man. So this is FD White, aka Crypto Funds. Like I said, make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. I appreciate everybody who's been watching. Hopefully some of my analysis can help you in your journey, and I will talk to you in a minute. Peace.